Are you struggling with headaches, neck, or back pain? Introducing PulseAlign, a revolutionary health solution using neuromodulation technology to restore tonal symmetry, triggering a fast return to normal, vibrant health. You see, neurological tone controls your body's posture, joint movements, and organ function. PulseAlign sees health problems as you would a malfunctioning printer. What's the point of fixing it if the problem is configuration? PulseAlign's cutting-edge neuromodulation device creates a single tiny pulse. This minuscule vibration triggers nerve receptors, a natural chain reaction, then instructs your brain, which immediately resets muscle tone symmetry. Your brain is then properly configured, your body is aligned, and well-being returns. Best of all, the process is so gentle, you don't even feel a thing. It is softer than the most gentle of massages. Your past traumas, physical, chemical, or emotional, could have caused these imbalances. And until normal function is restored, addressing the symptoms is always a temporary solution. PulseAlign is effective, accessible, and has already transformed countless lives. If you or someone you know is struggling with pain or discomfort, explore the benefits of PulseAlign and step into a healthy future. Don't wait any longer. Share this video or visit our website to schedule your first PulseAlign experience. Unlock your body's incredible healing potential with PulseAlign.